In this video, we introduce our latest research titled The Proteus Effect on Human Pain Perception Through Avatar Muscularity and Gender Factors. The Proteus effect occurs when users adopt the characteristics of their avatars in virtual environments, altering their behavior and attitudes. Our research aims to understand how presenting avatars with different body types, from the user's own body, affects pain perception through this Proteus effect. For our experiments, we created 4 types of avatars: a muscular male avatar, a normal male avatar, a muscular female avatar, and a normal female avatar. We used a thermal stimulation protocol from our previous studies, applying heat stimuli between 45 degrees Celsius and 46 degrees Celsius to the participants' inner forearms. The movements of the participants and their avatars were synchronized through the tracking capabilities of the HMD. To measure various aspects, we used several questionnaires: the Pain Assessment Scale for pain perception, the GREP questionnaire to understand gender-related pain stereotypes, and the Embodiment questionnaire to assess how immersed participants felt in their avatars. We conducted 2 experiments with 64 participants who interacted with VR avatars while experiencing controlled pain stimuli. In the first experiment, we used muscular and normal male avatars. In the second experiment, we introduced female versions of each body type, giving us 4 avatars in total. The first experiment was a preliminary study comparing real-world conditions with VR. The second experiment, being the main study, was conducted entirely in VR, and we added new variables, such as the gender of the avatar and the gender of the participant. In the first experiment, we looked at 2 factors: the avatar's body type, muscular versus normal, as a between-participant variable, and the environment, real-world versus virtual, as a within-participant variable. In the second experiment, we kept the avatar's body type as a factor, but we also added the participant's gender as a between-participant variable, and the avatar's gender as a within-participant variable. For the first experiment, we saw a 17.241% reduction in pain perception when using avatars compared to the real mirror. However, there was no significant main effect of the avatar body type, whether muscular or normal. In the second experiment, we observed a 15.982% reduction in pain perception using muscular avatars compared to normal avatars. The main effect of avatar body type was significant. We also found significant first-order interactions between the gender of the participant and the gender of the avatar, and between the gender of the participant and the avatar body type. Post-hoc analyses showed that perceived pain intensity decreased with gender-congruent avatars, and muscular avatars were particularly effective for male users. Looking at the GREP questionnaire results, male participants tended to rate women's pain sensitivity higher. Additionally, the pain sensitivity of muscular figures was rated significantly lower by male participants. From the embodiment questionnaire, we found higher embodiment scores with gender-congruent avatars. The embodiment scores were consistent across different avatars. This suggests that the pain alleviation effect was due to the Proteus effect, not just immersion. Our research findings can be summarized as follows. When we look at pain intensity, it decreases more effectively when the user's gender matches the avatar's gender. Muscular avatars are particularly effective at reducing pain for male participants. On the other hand, female participants experience pain reduction regardless of the avatar's body type. Interestingly, one's own stereotypes could potentially influence how the Proteus effect impacts pain perception. The degree of immersion in an avatar also plays a role in how users perceive pain. Our findings showed that participants experienced consistent levels of immersion regardless of the avatar's body type. This consistency suggests that the pain alleviation effect is due to the Proteus effect, rather than just immersion itself. This research was supported by JSPS and JST Spring. For more information, please visit our laboratory website and check out our published paper. Thank you.